you, thanks for clicking play. Quick question. Are you tired of not knowing your financial software vendors? Then listen up, banks, credit unions, and financial software vendors. BankerAdvice.com is the new sheriff in town. We are the best way to buy, sell, and talk about financial software. BankerAdvice.com connects banks and credit unions to over 1,000 financial software vendors. Learn more, know more, and sell more. How could you not use this tool? Join today at BankerAdvice.com and get in the know on financial software. Brought to you by Banker Advice, your automated technology consultant.